Dusty here with Pine Acres RV here in Stewiacke and back with another super fresh trade, guys. We got a 2021 Prime Time Avenger 24 BHS on the model number, guys. This is a very beautiful family unit, guys. Down at the back here, we have an outdoor kitchen, which is great for entertaining in. You got the cooktop, you got the sink, and you even got a spot there. You could put a nice little mini fridge if you wanted to. There's a beautiful large awning with the LED light strip underneath, 2 exterior speakers. We do have front end storage, and we got solid steps to get in. Come on inside, guys. Let's check her out. All right, just inside the door here, our unit controls are right here. Super easy to navigate, so that's really nice. TV does come with the unit, guys. Look at that thing. It's beautiful. Stereo deck for your inside-outside speakers. Here are your inside speakers, obviously. Some storage down below as well. Store all your family games and stuff like that. And then we'll jet right over into the side out with the windows that wrap around, of course. U-shaped dinette that will drop down into a bed as well. Conveniently, right here is your thermostat to keep you warm and cold. And then, boom, here's our kitchen. Tons of counter space. You got the one-piece stainless steel sink in there. You got tons of storage here for your cutlery and your kitchen utensils. You even have a paper towel holder. I'll include that on the unit. Up top, some spots for your cups and plates, or maybe even a pantry area. Greystone microwave, Greystone range hood, 3-burner Greystone cooktop with a very nice size oven. Down below, we got a spot where we could probably store a couple pots and pans, stuff like that. And if that's not enough, we also got this as well, guys. Looks like somebody had some pots in there before. Over here, Everchill refrigerator. Tons of space in that puppy, guys. And you even got the beverage rack, too. That's nice. Now, double over double bunks down back. These are actually bigger than double over double bunks, so you'll find you can easily sleep 2 on each bunk. There also is phone charging capabilities as well as some lights. And just right here, you have another, you could either use it as a linen closet or a pantry area. Up next, we're straight into our bathroom. And we have tons of space in here, actually. Tons of space around the toilet, vent in the shower, beautiful vanity right here, medicine cabinet with some storage down below. And this shower, guys, for a trailer, super spacious, and it has the seat in it. Love to see that. Love to sit down in the shower. Last but not least, let's check out that bedroom. Up front here in the master bedroom, guys, we got his or hers closets on either side. Looks like an upgraded mattress. Will be coming with the unit. Up top, we do have some more storage as well. Probably hard for you guys to see at that angle. Window here for ventilation. And right here, you got a TV mount, TV hookups right up there with your sliding doors. Folks, if you like this unit and you want to get into it for yourselves, come on down to Pine Acres Stewiacke Exit 11, and don't forget to keep an eye on our website at www.pineacresrv.com.